Hey everybody. You already know who it is. Maybe you don't. But it's Coco, just real. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So before we get into the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And go ahead and like this video. And don't forget to share. But before I go any further, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, because I know you're going to like it. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family and whoever. Yeah. But today's video, I'll show you how I got this look. If you are interested in seeing this video, stay tuned. See ya. Alright, so first we're going to start off with our primer. So I've already done my brows off camera. I used my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee to clean them up. Before my lid, I will use the color Porcelain as my shadow base. We're going to go into our James Charles Morphe palette. The color we're going to start off with is Mary. And I'm just going to take that color and put it in my crease. And now back to the video. So we're going to go back in our James Charles and use the color Rusted. We're going to take this color and I'm just going to go over the color Mary and just blend. Gonna keep building on the lid. I'm gonna next go into the color You're Kidding and put that on top of the color I've already put down. Now I'm gonna take the color Literally and put that in the inner part of my eyelid. Alrighty, so moving on, we're going to go into our Fenty Beauty palette. The color we're going to use is Moroccan Ice. And we're just going to take that and put that on the bottom lower lid. So to pink things up, we're going to use the color Sahara Stunner, and I'm just going to put that over the Moroccan Ice. to go back into Moroccan Ice and put that in the inner corners of my eyes. So going back into our Morphe palette, we're going to use the color Mary and put that under the eye. For my foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 368. For concealer, I will be using Morphe in the shade C525. For my under eyes, I'll use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. For my contour, I'll be using the LA Girl Concealer in the color Truffle. And for my blush, I'll be using my MAC Raizin. And moving right along, I'm going to use my True Complexion contour palette, and I will be using the highlight to highlight my cheekbones and all of my other highlight areas. So for our lips, I'm going to start off with my Infallible. I don't know what color this is because it's rubbed off, but yeah, chocolate. We're going to call it chocolate. I'm going to put that on the outer part of my lips. And for the inner part, I'm going to go in with my MAC in the color Kinda Sexy or B39. Put that in the put that on the inner corner or the inner part of my lips and blend it in. And over it, I'm going to take my NYX Butter gloss and gloss it up. And for a little razzle dazzle, we're going to use our Pure Metal by Victoria's Secret and just put that in the middle part of our lips. And that's just going to give it that extra shine and bling. Well, alright y'all, that will be the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this look, and y'all never mind that lash, it won't let me be great. But anyway, I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully you can recreate this look. If you liked it, like I said earlier, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you've already reached the end of this video and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now. So yeah, I will see you in the next one.